up, guys? Today we are going to be doing the Wind Up. It's in Yeeps Hide and Seek. It's a really good community world. You guys should all try and get it and get into it and like and subscribe. So yeah, I kind of already did level 1 on accident. So I'm gonna start from level 2, okay?
No, I hate the ceiling.
Yeah, it's like a mid-level. This one's like middle difficulty. Especially those spike jumps, it's kind of like lagged and stuff.
Wait.
Oh my god.
I can rid you.
Okay. Can you?
No, you can't.
Oh well.
You need to double it.
Okay. And then we gotta just.
You need to double it. You died on that one. I fell in a lag jump.
I'm not really good at key jump. Key, the key. So yeah, just stepping out of my boundary sucks. Okay, we're here now. This is like the closest to the end I've ever, I've kind of been. I've completed this before, but only one time. Cause, again, I suck at parkour too. Also, by the way, like and subscribe. I hope my Yeeps app doesn't crash. Oh, there's battery. Okay. Nope, and yeah, I'm dead. Okay, back to where we were at first. Whew. And we're so close to the end. Please don't die. We made it to the end. Oh, what the? This is new. This is really new. Die, please. Last time I played this, that was the end.
Yo, guys, you're
Okay,
still
yeah,
here?
we made it. We're doing good. Yay.
I just restarted.
First start.
Oh, you are? Oh, I just restarted.
Okay. I had my
Chicken,
Yeeps app
get in
crashed on
line.
my phone, so I'm using my dad's phone right now. And let's go.
Alright.
Remember,
With a
we're
banjo
on
or-
level 3.
It's too,
Yeah, level 3.
it's too bad. It's too bad.
Jeez Louise, I'm trying to do the thing.
Yo, chicken!
You want to play games? Knockback
Chicken,
games,
look
cat.
above
I don't
you.
have
We
knockback.
can play games.
I'll hit you over there.
Chicken!
I'll-
Chicken!
Alright.
Let's have some fun.
By the way, I'm not going to have anyone roast me. And then
Get banned? You want to?
I forgot if I got
Okay.
roast yesterday.
Yo, give me over. Give me over. Give me over. Give me over.
I can roast you to the gnome above
Wrong way,
you.
bro.
Ew, that needs a shortcut.
Give me over. Give me over.
Oh my god.
Ah!
Yeah, I suck at this level
If
too.
you hit me,
Who did that?
you will get banned.
Hit me over.
Not that time. That was an accident. Bro, alright. Who was that?
I'll get you over.
let
I'll
me
get
do
you
it.
over.
I
I'll get
actually
you
know
over.
how to do it.
Give me over. Give me over. Yeah.
Bro, cheat. Bro.
This level.
Santa.
Well, bro.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Alpha.
Well, yeah, we're kind of back to where we were.
Turn around.
I knew so many people.
Santa.
Chicken, get over there. Hey, Santa, give me up.
Oh yeah, I gotta get protection out. I will be roasting other people because gotta be kind.
Get him out of here. No.
Bro, let's just point something out.
This part I'm pretty good at.
You sound underage.
See, pretty, not that good.
Hey, everybody report the cat guy. He's
His name
underage.
is Sussy Cat and all. Oh my god.
Everybody report Sussy Cat. He's underage. All right, I'm gonna get you over.
Yeah, because
okay?
he really is sounding a bit sussy.
Oh, I messed
You
that
know?
up terribly, bro. I got
Yo,
like
you
no
It's
can-
minutes.
suspicious that
Get on this thing. I got more.
you sound underage and you
Like
probably
stick
he's
out.
gonna-
Like, arm out. Stick
underage.
out.
Here.
My bad.
Yeah, that one.
Mine.
No, here.
My
Let me
bad.
do it. Let
Here.
me do it. I actually know how
Try
to
with
do
butt jokes.
it. No, it doesn't work. It shoots you up too far.
And back to where we were.
Guys, the glitch is
Let me do it.
possible. Let me do it. I actually know how.
Okay, give me over.
Sit
give
on
me
your
over.
butt.
No, move.
And again, I still suck at it.
Hey,
It's a
everyone,
cat.
report Sussy Cat. He's underage.
There's-
All right, give me over. Give me over. Give
And
me
he's
over.
stupid because he hits everybody
And
else.
he just called me stupid.
Yummy
Toxicity.
hitting people
Everyone
off.
report Sussy Cat.
I don't like when
Mash,
the
you're
blue
hitting
bars
people
start
off.
coming back.
You're hitting
Okay,
people
let me hit
off.
you. Let me hit you.
Yeah, you're hitting people off.
Yeah.
Everyone report Sussy Cat. He's not being very
Here,
stupid.
let me hit you. Let me hit you guys.
Alpha, move.
And he's not Sigma.
Move.
He's not
I
Alpha
got this.
Sigma
Let me cook.
Richard.
Let me cook. No, he's gonna hit me.
This might be the only time.
Everybody report Alpha Cat. Or not. No, why did I say Alpha? Everyone report Sussy Cat.
For what?
Hitting me off for no reason. You hit me over. And I told you to stop.
told me to stop.
Yeah, I did.
Well, I didn't hear you.
Womp womp. Everybody report Sussy Cat for toxicity.
Move out of my.
And for harassment. And for harassment. Everybody report Sussy Cat.
Yo, can you rose me? Oh god.
Sigma.
Guys, Sussy Cat's hitting the N-word.
Auto lane, bro. Stupid auto lane.
Yeah, report me to the Discord for no reason.
For real.
I'll report you to the Discord.
How is the headset already dead?
I'll report you to the Discord too. I'm reporting you to the Discord. I told you to stop.
Oh my gosh. You know what? Let's just do this thing.
You're
Wait,
being really
one more time?
sussy.
Maybe? No.
I need to log it. I need to log it.
Ah!
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
You're cooked, sussy.
Sorry, I didn't mean to hit you. It was just like.
Okay, maybe.
I can do this fast. I'm pretty sure. I hope.
Nah, what is not?
And yep, again, dead.
Hey, everyone report Sussy Cat. I can't move. My game glitched.
Yeah, I think that wasn't fair. That it doesn't decide to load.
Fuck.
Why did he hit me?
Hello. Hi. I hate this part. Give me a kick.
Hey, everyone report Sussy Cat. Everyone report Sussy Cat. I can't move.
I don't think anyone
Can't move.
really.
It's gonna poop me.
Yo, crown.
What? I'm stuck. I can't move. You won't let me.
Okay. Again, we're back to where we started.
Quickly.
Again.
I'm gonna get like.
Please.
I opened my. Okay.
Damn.
Wait. Okay. Don't include.
This video is gonna be pretty long. Ooh.
I just spam this.
I'll hit you over. We're all hitting each other up there. Bro, why'd you hit me with butt shows?
I didn't know. Okay.
It's
Sorry,
too
this
bad.
time.
It's a bat and a butt
Ow.
joke.
Everybody report Sussy Cat.
Oh my
Everyone
gosh.
report Sussy Cat.
I seriously don't think.
What are you doing?
Can
Look.
you
Use
can you,
two
like,
butt jokes
really
and hit and
stop
get me up to there.
repeating the same
Wait, no,
thing? It's
stand
kind
there,
of
I
getting
wanna-
annoying.
Hit me up.
I don't think
Hit me up
anyone
first. Hit me up
needs to
there.
report
Two butt jokes.
guys
Sussy
see my-
Cat. It's weird to say that because that sounds so stupid,
Hit the
but
spikes. No, hit the spikes. And then
there's no
you
such.
Wait, you just said you.
No, I'm not about to argue with them.
That's what happens. Either check this recording and tell me if he said what the views of that person. Because I'm pretty
Okay, we finally did it,
Fuse?
and
What do you think?
this always scares me.
Bro, I
What did you think I
Can you hit me up?
Hold on. Let me try. I'll be right back. Dude.
Hi. What's up, sir? What's up, sir?
What's up? What's up?
My sirski. What are you doing?
Oh, that was close.
Oh, bye.
Oh,
Yay, you made it. Get over it.
hey.
I have a gun.
Okay, we're kind of getting close to the end. Kind
Can I
of.
hit someone up
No,
there?
you won't.
Can I hit someone up there?
Wait. Oh, I can.
No, please.
Anyone up there?
This
No,
is.
it's not my fault.
What? No, hold on.
Oh my God!
Wait.
Yes!
And okay,
No, I can't.
thank the Lord for that.
Tessa died.
No!
No, it didn't. It didn't die.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Well, square one.
What?
Kid Rose. What the heck?
Oh!
I love us.
My game lagged like crazy there.
Do it.
Okay, I'm finishing up. Yeah, my game lagged.
Rose, chicken, rose me.
It may have not shown on the camera.
thank you.
but My game
Rose,
lagged like
Chicklin,
crazy just then.
Can you move? Sir, excuse me.
No! No!
Don't gonna move.
See, I couldn't get around.
Go fast.
Yo, that
Thank
Red
you.
Riding
You're
Hood-
fine.
that
You're the
wannabe
first one
Red
there.
Riding Hood gets in the way.
I can't make it.
Being honest. Bro!
Oh, sorry. Then go.
Santa! Get in the way.
Santa, rose
You
me.
couldn't make it so.
Rose me.
Oh
my
God. Sorry.
Rose me.
No way they bring
Okay.
the water back.
Hopefully this time
Fat
the
rat
glass
man.
doesn't break.
They were getting in the way, BC.
Extra- Hate brutal glass.
And to be honest, I want to continue making.
Chicken.
Okay.
No, I can't.
Whew. I'm horrified right now. I hope I do not die right here and now.
Damn, this jump is big. Hey.
You on road?
Oh yeah, you no.
Okay. Do you want? I can hit you up there. I can hit you up there. Okay. Here's a little skip here. You just go like this. Go right there. Go right there. You don't have to do all of that.
I know he's finna not make it.
Wait, go like to the edge.
Yo,
So I can stand up. Oh yeah, and then here's another one.
Bro's cooked.
Yep. No, but it's possible. I just
I was
suck at it.
joking, sir.
What?
Chicken.
I died.
Okay.
How?
Well, kind of getting nervous here. So, wish me luck, guys. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. We are here. We are here. Yay! We made it. We did. Oh, let me get a breath. Okay. Okay, we're gonna get the last level, and then yeah, pretty much we're doing good.
Yeti, you almost hit this.
What the Sigma?
You almost hit this.
Last level. I don't think it's finished yet, though.
Hi, brothers.
Yeah, the last level isn't finished yet.
Yo, what's up, bro? We're trying to do
What's up?
skip.
I'm
Maybe you'll have better luck at doing the skip.
maybe not. No, I'm just making sure it doesn't crash again.
Yo, dude, this time, try to hit me on that, onto the fan. Oh. This time, hit me onto the fan. Like, hit me.
Yo, can you guys get me real quick? Kinda stuck.
Okay, wait, I'll rose you. Hit me
Alright.
right to that fan.
Oh, I got hair.
Just right into that fan. Like,
Go right up to here. Go right up to here.
But
good enough. That's perfect, actually. Nice job. You don't get him. Yo, dude. Yo,
Oh
dude.
no. Hold up. I'll be right there. I'll be right there.
Okay, roast him when he gets back. Gotcha.
Wait, where do we go after this? We could just jump to there, right?
Yo, can you get me right here?
I could.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
yo.
you.
Wait, hit me with 2 banjos over there. Or not.
It's
Oh, wait,
po-
that
it's
is
more
possible.
It's
That is
more
possible.
possible if you come over here. You got a better chance of making it. And yeah, pretty much we did it. We saved the world, and we are the first.
First
Country.
country on the moon.
That's
First
country.
country on... Wait.
This is country.
There might be more, though. There might be more. Let's go. Wait, let's look around.
Well, it's not finished yet.
Yeah. You didn't realize that before?
Yeah, it's Neptune, Earth, Mars, Saturn, and that's pretty much all they
I think
have.
we're supposed to go... No. We're going backwards. We're
Yeah,
supposed to
we're
go
going
this way.
backwards.
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord have mercy.
Oh yeah, Lord have mercy. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today.
Wait.
Like and subscribe, and have a good day.
I'm not Canadian,
Wait a minute.
man.